Okay, so to find the expected monetary value, first we have to find the profit for making the 50 loaves. For each scenario. So if we sell 25, so if we sold 25, the profit would be 25 times 5, because we make $5 on each loaf. So we would get $125 if the demand was 25. But remember, we have 25 more that we made that we're not selling. So we have to subtract the cost that we're losing for making those and not selling them. So the cost of each loaf to make it is $2. So we're losing $50 because we didn't sell those. So our profit we would make for selling 25 and making 50 and only selling 25, we would make $75. Now for 50 loaves, so if we sold 50 loaves and we made 50 loaves, then we have a profit of $5 for each. So now we have a profit of $2.50. Now if we had a demand for 75, well, we only made 50, so we can still only sell 50. So the profit there is $2.50. So our expected monetary value is going to be our probability of selling 25 times the profit of selling 25. And then the probability of selling 50 was 25. And we would make a profit of $2.50. And the probability of selling the probability of the demand, for being 75 is a 45% chance, and the profit of selling 50 when the demand is 75 is $2.50. So when you put that in your calculator, you will get 125. Now, what you may have had trouble with, most students can find this number and this number, but this calculation over here may have been tricky. You have to subtract out the loss of not selling those 25, because you made 50 and you only sold 25, so 25 loaves are going to waste, and it costs $2 per loaf to make. So we lost $50. Let me know if you have any questions.